Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. This channel is very mesmerizing world of nail art where creativity knows no bounds. In this captivating video, I bring you a showcase of the most stunning nail art designs that will inspire and elevate your style to a whole new level. So please guys, don't miss this video. Dear friends, whether you are a nail art lover, a professional nail technician, or simply someone who loves to explore the beauty trends, this video is for you. So hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and join the nail art community as we celebrate the beauty of self-expression throughout stunning nail art designs. So don't miss this chance to revamp your nail game and embrace the artistry that lies at your fingertips. Let's dive into the enchanting world of nail art together. We promises you not be able to take your eyes off these jaw-dropping designs. So guys, get ready for some nail inspiration as we introduce you to current trends and innovative ideas that have taken the nail art world by storm. Unleash your inner artist and let your imaginations run wild as you discover the ultimate timeless possibilities for nail art designs. So guys, are you a fan of nature inspired themes? We have delightful floral nail art design that will make you feel like you have stepped into a blooming garden. And for those seeking edgy and unique looks by this video, so share my video and subscribe my channel and pick up the unique ideas. Your comment is also very valuable for me because by your comments I will know that about all your desires and unique ideas about you and your desires. So like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.